MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Rain-X, Hum by Verizon, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
If you live in an area where you get any amount of snow whatsoever, there is the eternal question: do I need winter tires? And to shed some light on it, we have our tire expert, Matt Edmonds. Matt, welcome back to Goss's Garage.
Pleasure to be here, Pat.
All right, we have some examples of tires here. Give us a primer.
Well, we've got the Michelin X-Ice 3, which is a dedicated winter tire. And then we have the Latitude, which is a non-dedicated winter tire, really an all-season tire.
All right. So what are we losing and gaining between the two?
Well, you know, an all-season tire, as we say, is good in everything, not great in anything. If you go to a dedicated winter tire, it's like putting on those boots when you go outside in winter's worst conditions, so that you have the maximum in control and performance equals safety. So.
Okay, so significant advantages when the snow is on the ground with dedicated snow tires.
Also, when there is no snow on the ground, though, because what ends up happening is this tire has been really built to work in those cold temperatures. So the rubber stays nice and pliable and soft. So when the pavement's dry, you still got that grip. An all-season tire might get a little harder. If you had a performance summer tire on, it'd be rock hard and like plastic on that pavement.
Okay, so, but then why do we want to have the snow tires and change them? Why not run them all year round?
Well, and that's something that the manufacturers have started to address with this three-peak mountain snowflake, which is a symbol that we've seen only on dedicated winter tires. It's now starting to show up on some all-season tires that we say have enhanced winter traction. So these have been tires that now are just not based on their geometry good in the winter conditions, but also in some of the engineering and the compounding, etc., has been developed to really work better in winter. So they're an all-season tire that has been stepped up a little bit, shall we say, in its winter performance. So
that might be a good alternative for lots of folks.
Lots of folks that are in that marginal area where you don't have winter conditions on a day-to-day basis. You know, you may have mild winters or a dusting of snow or some really cold weather days, but not on a consistent basis.
And that would also do away with the changeover.
That would simplify things a little bit for some people, but some people, again, still like that ability. And as much as they say, well, gosh, I've got a second set of tires, well, they're resting while the others are working. So.
Gotcha.
Great.
Matt, thank you. And if you have a question or a comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.